G'day everyone, Dylan with Rogue Van Company again, and this time I wanted to talk to you about the air conditioning system we have in this van. We are fortunate enough to have paired up with Cruise & Comfort USA, and they manufacture a split system DC air conditioning for marine and van applications. This AC unit from Cruise & Comfort is unique because it is a split system and we can mount the compressor and dryer inside the van, and the condenser is the only part that needs to be mounted exterior, and that just fits in under the van, doesn't really take up too much space, and it doesn't hang too low or anything, even with the two thermofans that we've got. This is a major benefit over the more traditional RV style roof mount units because we don't hack into the really valuable solar real estate. Basically what that means is we have more room for solar panels on the roof, not having an AC unit up there, which is immediately beneficial seeing as we are powering the AC unit from the battery system. We want as much solar as we can get. And in this van, with 1 kilowatt of solar, we've kind of maximized that. And on this van in particular, we went for the 48 volt variant, and that makes sense because we have a 48 volt battery bank, so it's just a direct connect with a fuse. This unit being 48 volt actually only pulls about 16 to 18 amps, which is pretty incredible when you take into account that at that current level, it's pumping out 12,000 BTUs, which what that means is that this van is getting colder, faster, consuming less power. The cooling efficiency of this unit is better than any van I've ever been in. It actually cools down the van pretty much from the flick of the switch. I'm still really impressed by that. It also moves a lot of air very quickly. I've been in a lot of different vans and a lot of different RVs and worked on different types of ACs, usually the roof mounted versions. And not only are the majority of those usually a shore power or generator only unit, but they're just generally speaking not that effective in cooling down a van even of this size. But this unit really stands out as being able to cool down the van rapidly with minimal power draw and completely off-grid from the DC side of things alone. You don't need a generator and you don't need to plug into shore power to run this AC. You can run it off battery power. We opted for the 48 volt setup, which happens to be the most efficient, most effective unit that they offer. We have installed the 12 volt ones in the past, which are really good, but I would recommend when sizing up your electrical system, seriously considering a 48 volt system now knowing how good this AC is. So in summary, the major benefits of going with a system like this over your more conventional or traditional RV and van style AC units is that this is pure DC and can be run completely off grid without the need to run a generator, without the need to plug into shore power. And not only that, it's also a very efficient and effective system inside a van. It'll cool the space very quickly and take up minimal room, not to mention the fact that it's not taking up any space on your roof, therefore allowing more space for solar panels and then in turn giving you more power to run the AC. If you're interested in getting an air conditioning system for your van or RV and you want to know more about the Cruise & Comfort unit, feel free to give us a call or send us a message. We'll leave a link in the description where you can find out a little bit more information about it as well. In the meantime, if you like and subscribe to this video, it would really help us out and it'll keep you in the loop for our next installment of our SEMA build, which you're really going to want to see.